You search for how to buy shares of Cranswick PLC, so this video will show the practical steps. Cranswick PLC is a UK food manufacturer producing fresh and prepared meat products, listed on the LSE PLC under the ticker CWK.L. This is an educational overview and not investment advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account. I will use eToro as a neutral example to show the process. After registering, you will usually need to verify your identity with an official ID and proof of address, and then add funds to your account before buying. Open the platform search field and type the ticker CWK.L to find the listing. Select the result that matches Cranswick PLC on the LSE to ensure you have the correct share. On the asset page, you will see a brief company summary and a price chart for CWK.L. Check the company description and exchange listing to confirm this is the correct Cranswick PLC share. Click the Trade or Buy button, choose the amount you want to invest, then review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, your order may be queued and executed when trading reopens, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Your open position will appear in your portfolio once the order fills, and you can monitor it there. For convenience, the eToro link is in the video description if you want to follow the same walkthrough.